Hey guys, Stan Dale, President, Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, a little impromptu video tonight. I'm in the hills of northern Georgia, about 15 miles from the North Carolina border, making my last run up to the Maggie Valley area to finish off the Magnificent Mountain Run tour, the details. So should have those out to all those folks that have RSVP. The agenda and things should be out early this weekend or early next week. So look for that. That'll come directly to those folks that are going on that trip. A lot of good things are going on as always. Just want to stop and say hello. A couple things really need your attention to. I know there's an upcoming picnic over in the St. Pete Clearwater area out at the fort, and check that out, sign that up. I think we got a couple of folks already signed up for that, but come on out and enjoy that. Al Hepburn, Tony, and Heidi are working hard to get that up and going, so come on out and take a part of that. As always, some really cool stuff happening. Hey, this Saturday, I don't know where that came from. This Saturday, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee and a tech tour. So if you're in the Fort Myers area, I won't be this week, but I'll say hello to you now. Miss you guys there. But check out the Fort Myers BMW. Fort Myers doing their tech tour this week. So come on out and be a part of that. Just remember that we've moved the caffeine and gasoline is no more on the last Saturday of the month. We've canceled this month, but we skip it back 1 week to October the 1st, which will be the Florida Suncoast BMW's Cars and Coffee at the BMW of Sarasota. So that is on October 1. So just note that, get your RSVP in, going out. That will be us exclusive on the BMW property. So a lot of cool things happening there. And when you're at some of these dealerships, particularly the Fort Myers, Sarasota, I know we have some discounts in place. So some of your parts needs, some of your service needs, stop in and see those folks, and they'll take care of you. So good things happening. I know some really cool things happening up in the Panhandle. Again, take a look at some of the poker run over with Al in the Jacksonville area. Get signed up. If you haven't signed up for the Daytona Drive-On, remember that requires two things: RSVP with Florida Suncoast on our website so that we know you're coming, and number two, you have to go to a website or a link and purchase your ticket. I'd tell you to purchase the 2-day, which is the minimum 2-day ticket. We'll be there Friday and Saturday, so do all that. We've got the lodging and all that kind of stuff already lined up. So take a look at what we've put out there, and then just a lot of cool things happening. Hope to wrap this mountain thing up this weekend and get the information out. So one more restaurant to get some details from, and then it's out there. So hope you're doing well. As we always say, happy motoring. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.